case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court of the United States, in the landmark case Smith v. Maryland in 1979, set an important precedent relating to the Fourth Amendment protections against unreasonable searches and seizures. The case centered on a crucial question: whether dialing phone numbers can be considered private information warranting the constitutional protection provided under the Fourth Amendment. The sequence of events that precipitated the court case took its origins in Patricia McDonough's harrowing experience. McDonough had been robbed and had also observed a suspicious 1975 Monte Carlo, which she relayed to the police. Post-robbery, she fell prey to intimidation tactics from an individual who claimed to be the robber. This added layer of harassment triggered an increased vigilance, allowing her to spot the suspicious Monte Carlo again in her vicinity. The police, acting on this information, traced the vehicle to a suspect named Michael Lee Smith. The case took a contentious turn when the law enforcement installed a pen register at the phone company, tracking all numbers dialed from Smith's residence without obtaining a warrant. The register indicated a call from Smith's home to McDonough, providing the police with enough evidence to obtain a warrant for Smith's residence. The subsequent search yielded a contact list at Smith's residence, which included a folded-down page revealing McDonough's number, and Smith was subsequently arrested and identified by McDonough as the perpetrator. Smith's defense hinged upon his contention that the installation of the pen register violated his Fourth Amendment rights, arguing that he had a reasonable expectation of privacy in the numbers he dialed from his home. However, the court disagreed and ruled that the use of pen registers did not constitute a search under the Fourth Amendment, because individuals do not have a legitimate expectation of privacy in the numbers they dial. Essentially, the court found Smith had voluntarily handed over numerical information to a third party, the telephone company, thereby squandering his claim to privacy and exempting the police from needing a warrant for the register. The Supreme Court ruling affirmed the decision of the Maryland Court of Appeals, setting a lasting precedent. The court reasoned that individuals cannot presume privacy for information knowingly broadcasted to third parties, even with the assumption that it would serve a specific, limited purpose.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.